Kirsten.
I didn't even pull it off. I swear to God. It's wearing tear. Alright, going back to the video.
I got it, got it. I got it, got it. I got it, got it. Boy, you know I got it. I got it, got it. I got it, got it. I got it, got it. Boy, you know I got it.
On
Karma Playhouse.
Boy, what you want, I got it. What you need, I got it. Anything you want, I got it for you, babe. Boy, what you want, I got it. What you need, I got it. Anything you want, I got it for you.
2 C's.
It's mail time. Hey, it's Karma Mail time.
Alright guys, today on Karma Mail Time section, we are not, no, I'm just kidding. Y'all know how this go.
Let's see what we have today. If you guys could collab with any artist, what would it be?
Nicki Minaj.
Young Money, Nicki Minaj.
We love Nicki, girl power.
Love Nicki Minaj, yes.
Unscramble this phrase. What?
It has a V, a W, a AALEROEKN.
70 years later.
We love Karma.
Do you all play any instruments? Drums?
If you consider a turntable an instrument, I know how to DJ a little bit.
And of course, our vocals are instruments. Who designs you all beautiful show clothes? My momager.
Miss T. Hey, 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 hey. She designs everything from scratch, all the diamonds, all the pearls, all the shimmies. Yes.
That whole shimmy line, yes.
How are you guys liking this YouTube channel? If you guys like it, hit that like button.
It's just fun to be able to record all the things that we do. Because we do this stuff without recording it. So
Right.
now we get to record it and show everybody. So it's pretty dope.
Smash that like button.
Smash that like button if you like it. What are y'all's favorite colors and why? I feel like we already answered this before, but
Yeah.
my favorite color is blue.
My favorite color is pink, but I like red too.
Since I was a little girl, I always liked blue. My mom tried to make me like pink because she likes pink, and my sister liked pink at the time. But I just like blue because I just feel like it's different. And I like to look up at the sky as blue. The water is blue. Like, beautiful places are blue.
And then pink and red is like Valentine's Day. That's what I always say.
Love time.
It's love. What is the relationship between you and the last person you texted in your phone? The last person that I texted was KK. And she sent me a giant iceberg slime.
Last person I texted was my mom.
No, really, the last person I texted was KK. Like, I'll just say. It's been a while since we made this mailbox.
Kirsten.
I didn't even pull it off. I swear to God. It's wearing tear. Alright, going back to the video.
When you all were babies, what type of food was your favorite? When I was a baby, I used to like Fruit Loops.
When I was a baby, Cheerios.
What are you most grateful for? Life itself.
Like yourself. What is your most amazing memory?
My first photo shoot, I was maybe 5.
I think one of my most amazing ones was like our first concert because
We were with Mom's Behavior.
yeah, we were Mom's Behavior, and it just felt like a big stepping stone in our career. Plus, my mom was there too.
What is your favorite type of foreign food? I like sushi. I'll do kimchi, rice, and seaweed too.
I like Mexican.
Mexican. I like Mexican too. How often do you guys buy clothes? I guess once a month for me now because I have Stitch Fix.
I don't really buy clothes that often, but when I do buy them, I try to buy like a lot so I won't have to like go back
And buy it. If you were a superhero, what powers would you all wish to have? Typically, I would say super speed, but probably to be invisible.
Maybe like being able to go back in time and like go to the future.
Where do you all see yourselves in 5 years?
Very successful.
Successful in 5 years.
Because we are grinding really hard right now. So 5 years, very successful.
How many different pair of shoes do you both own? Oh, I have no clue, but I'm gonna try to estimate. I'm gonna say for winter, maybe 75 pair. And for summer shoes, well, for summer, I probably got like 50.
I estimate about 50 pairs of sneakers. Probably more.
How tall are you guys in real life? 4'8".
I am 5'2".
Do you all have any tattoos or piercings?
I have piercings here.
I do have more than 2 piercings because this would be considered 2. I have 1 belly button ring. That's it. What would change in America today if you became president tomorrow? I don't know. I wouldn't ever want that type of responsibility. It's too big.
Yeah, I wouldn't want to be the president. Like, that's a great job. And kids, if you want to be the president, shoot for it. But personally, like I said,
that's a lot of responsibility.
That's not a job title that I would want to have. Because there's a lot of people's lives in your hands. There's a lot of decisions that you have to make.
And I'd rather not get into politics right now. How long does it take you guys to get ready in the morning? Like 2 hours?
Like an hour and a half.
Who would you want to play you in a movie of your life?
4 to 6 days later. 4 to 6 more days later.
We have to grow, and then we go and look back, because like our life is kind of basically just beginning.
Yeah, it's still being
the story is still being written.
The story is still being written. You saw me? I was like like I was drawing.
Are you clean or are you messy?
I consider myself a clean person. Sometimes I can let my room get out of hand, because that's like the most
with clothes. It's really
with clothes, but like I can't really stay around filth or anything like that. I gotta be clean.
I'll consider myself a clean person.
Yeah, you are clean.
Because I am, but just like you said, with clothes, sometimes
we get a little out of hand because we're just so busy.
Like, never nasty.
Never nasty.
I keep a can of Lysol Febreze in my room, and all the cleaning supplies around too.
We're done! If you enjoyed this video,
please like,
comment,
share,
subscribe,
and don't forget to turn on your bell notification so you get a ping every time we post. We love you guys, and we'll see you next time on Karma Playhouse. Deuces.
You know none of that was recorded, right?
Seriously?
You're kidding. Jordan.
On
Jordan,
everything.
you playing? Jordan. Nah, he wouldn't be laughing.
It's a prank.
Hi, I'm Kirsten.
And I'm Miesha Michelle, and you've been watching
Karma Playhouse.
If you want to see more how-to videos,
Challenges,
tutorials,
workout videos,
and pranks, click the list beside us for more.
and if you want to keep up to date with the videos that we're putting out,
Smash that subscribe button below. And comment below what you would like to see us do next. Deuces.